Hello, here's SWC team and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, draft standards for unimobiles are being discussed in Belarus. UST develops a project for complex construction in Kazakhstan. UST presents a film about unilite complex creation. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. The process of creating standards for unimobiles in Belarus has reached the next stage. According to UST Incorporated Media Center, the projects of UST Incorporated have been submitted for public discussion for consideration by interested organizations. The authorities of the Almaty region are considering the possibility of integrating the transporta and infrastructure solutions of UST Incorporated into the infrastructure of the region. The string rail flyover may connect the regional town of Kazakhstan and the future metro station near the Barlik market in Almaty, which will solve the problem of hours-long traffic jams. UST Incorporated has unveiled a documentary detailing the creation of its first commercial operation solution, Unilite Complex. The film describes the origin of the idea, the main stages of Ulite development, unique technological solutions that were laid down during the design of the complex. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you soon.